It means you are saying what? Minus times plus. And minus times plus is what? Minus. Are you following me? So that means this would eliminate this automatically. Then you'll be left with what? This part. 13 plus minus 19. Are you getting me? 13 plus minus 19. So that would be plus times minus, that is what? Minus. So that would not be 13 minus 19. Now your 13 minus 19 is minus 6. So what do I have here? This is going to be what? 6x is equals to minus 6. And then I'll say that x is equals to what? Minus 1. Why? Because we are going to have to divide both sides by what? 6. So that will be minus 1. Now, that means that you've gotten the value of x. That's what it means. That the value of x has been what? Has been obtained. That's what it means. That the value of x has been obtained. It means that the value of x has been obtained. So now we'll now move to the next part. So let's draw a line here to indicate that we're looking at the next part. Now, you will not take any of the equations. If you like, you can take equation 1. If you like, you can take this up to you based on how easy it is for you to solve. You take any of the equations. So for me, I'm deciding to take equation 1. So that will be from equation 1, which is what? 2x plus 5y is equals to 13. Then I can say that this is what? 2 open bracket. Now, since I've found the value of x to be minus 1, then it's easy. So what do I do? Minus 1 plus what? 5y is equals to what? 13. So that will be what? Minus 2. Why? Because this is 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2, plus 5y is equals to 13. So what do I do next? I collect like terms. So this is going to be 5y is equals to, now this guy is coming here, that will become 13 plus 2. So this is going to be what? 5y is equals to 15. And from there, I'll say that y is equals to 3. So that way, I've gotten my second value. Let's take a look at another question. I'm rubbing this off. Let's take a look at another question. Now, this second question, what do we have here? They said 2x minus y is equals to minus 9. And 5x minus y is equals to minus 15. Now, if I cite it, if I look at it, like I said before, the first thing I should always do is to what? Is to try and look at this very well. You have to observe. That's the first thing. This is x. This is y. This is the constant. Now, what's the coefficient that is with y? 1. What's the coefficient that is with y in this place too? 1. So they are similar. They are the same. Are you following me? So we'll call this equation 1. We'll call this equation 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Now, what do we do from here? We'd say that, okay, I'm trying to eliminate. So by elimination, that is the one I would like to use for this question. By elimination, what will I do? They are similar. Are you getting me? So what do I just do? Looking at this is minus y. So what will I do to eliminate this? Will it be addition or subtraction? Looking at it, I will know it is subtraction. Why? Because minus y minus y. Minus is what? Minus times minus is what? plus. So that will make this one plus. So the meaning that subtraction is the best thing to use. So I'll say subtract equation 1 from 2. That is from equation 2. So that will become 2x minus 5x. Yeah, looking at this, they will eliminate each other already. Because that will be what? Y, that will be minus y. That will be minus y minus y. I mean, minus and minus is what? Plus. So that will be what? This will eliminate themselves. So it's equals to what? Minus 9 minus 15. So this will be minus 9 plus 15. This will be what? Minus y plus y. This will be what? Minus 3x. So that will be minus 3x. Of course, this one is 0 now. And then this one is minus 9 plus 15. What's minus 9 plus 15? That is 6. What do we do? Divide both sides by minus 3. Divide both sides by minus 3. So that means x will be equals to what? Minus 2. That is our answer there. Good. So now we've obtained the value of equation of x. How do we obtain y? How do we obtain y? So from there, I can, like I said, I can choose any of the equation. Any of the equation. But in this case, I want to choose equation 1. So I mean equation 2. Since I chose equation 1 in the first question, let me just use equation 2. So from equation 2, which is 5x minus y is equal to minus 15. Recall that we've obtained what? X to be minus 2. So what do? That will be 5 open bracket minus 2 minus y is equals to minus 15. So that will be minus 10 minus y is equals to minus 15. That will be minus y is equals to minus 15 plus 10. Minus y is equals to minus 5. Now, because this is negative, you can't leave your answer like that. So you divide both sides by minus 1. So y will be equals to what? 5. So now let's take one more question. Now let's assume you're not given a question whereby the two coefficients that you have, are you getting me? The two coefficients that you have, you don't have anyone that is the same. So how do you solve it when you don't have the same coefficients? How do you solve questions on this when you don't have the same coefficients? Does it mean that when you don't have the same coefficient, you can't use the elimination method? That is wrong. That is totally incorrect. It doesn't mean you can't use the elimination method. What you will need to do in that case is to write the question to suit you. So let's look at this example. Here I have 3x plus 2y is equals to 2, and 2x plus 3y is equals to minus 7. Now, if you look at this question, if you look at your two variables, this one is x. Are you getting me? This is x. This is x. The both of them don't have the same coefficients. This is y, this is y. Both of them don't have the same coefficient. This one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 2, this is 3. So now what you do in this case is simple. In your mind, choose what you want to decide on, the one you want as your what's the name that you want to eliminate. You have to make a decision. Okay, this is what I need to eliminate. This is what I don't want to eliminate. So in my mind, I can say that, okay, I want to eliminate x. I want to leave y alone. So now what I need to do is to ensure that I do what will make me what? Be able to what? Eliminate what? X. So now, most times the best thing to do is to just look at what you have here and what you have here. and use that as, you reverse it. You multiply it with a reversal. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So I can say, okay, my equation 1, let me multiply it by 2. So multiply equation 1 by 2. And I said that, oh, this is my equation 2. Let me multiply it by what? 3. I'll multiply it by 3. So that's what I've done. I've reversed it. What I have here is 3. I multiplied it by 2. What I have here is 2. I multiplied it by 3. So that by the time I multiply everything through, remember the first step. Decide on what you want to eliminate. Right? I've decided I want to eliminate x. Are you following me? And now okay, look at the coefficients. And then what do? I try to reverse them and multiply with the reversal. So 2 times 3x is what? 6x. Plus that same 2 is what we multiply here. 2 times 2y, that is what? 4y. Is equals to 2 times 2, which is what? 4. I can decide to call this equation 3 for the sake of simplicity. Then I now come again. I go to this equation 2. Remember I said I want to multiply by 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6x. You can now see that we have the same coefficient here. Plus 3 multiplied by 3, 9y. And 3 times minus 7, minus 21. This is equation 4. You must use that to multiply everything you have. It's important. Use it to multiply everything you have. Now, moving on. From here, it is now, you can say I have the same coefficient. So that means it is easier for me to eliminate. So by elimination, I'll just say, okay, this is 6x, this is, so that means I will subtract. So I'll say subtract equation 3 from 4. Equation 3 from 4, okay. 4 from 3, 3 from 4, okay. But whatever you're doing, you must be consistent. If it's 3 from 4 you want to do, you must be consistent. So that will be 6x minus 6x, that is 0. Remember, you're using subtraction. Now, 4y minus times plus is what? Minus. So that is 4y minus 9y. That will be minus 5y. Remember, consistency is key. Is equals to 4 minus 21. 4 minus 21. 4 minus 21. Minus and minus is what? Plus. So that will be 4 plus 21. And this is minus 5y. So that will be minus 5y is equals to 25. What do? I divide both sides by what? 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. All over what? Minus 5. That means y will be equals to what? Minus 5. It's as simple as that. So that has helped us in obtaining the value of x. So now we now need to obtain the value of, that has helped us to determine the value of y. So we just need to determine the value of what? X at this moment. So now, for this next question, what do we do here? What do we do here? So we just take care of the equation. You can take equation 1. You can take the original equation 1. You can take the original equation 2. You can take the one you made, equation 3. You can take the one you made, equation 4, anyone you like. But like I always say, keep it simple. Don't make things complex. Good. What will I do? I'll just take this one. Let me take equation 1. So from equation 1, which is 3x plus 2y is equals to 2. What do I do? You know, I've been given y. I've obtained y. And I've discovered that my y is minus 5. So what do I do? That will be 3x plus 2, open bracket, minus 5. Close the bracket is equals to 2. 3x minus, because 2 times minus 5 is what? Minus 10. Is equals to what? 2. So 3x is equals to 2 plus 10. Of course, when you collect your like terms. So that will be 3x is equals to what? 12. X is equals to 4. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So now let's take one more type of equation. There are different ways the equations can be given to you. So let me just give you the last one. Using the same, you notice that today we only worked with elimination method. I want us to familiarize ourselves with the elimination method. Then in the next class, we'll look at substitution method. That way it's easier. All right, let's take a look at this question. We have x over 2 plus y over 2 is equals to 6, is equals to 7 over 2. And then you have x over 4 plus y over 4 is equals to 15 over 4. We have less than 10 minutes to the end of this class, so let's make it count. So now what do I do? For a question like this, what do I do? What I will do is this. I'll call this equation 1. I'll call this equation 2. Right? I'll draw a line here to separate it. Now, looking at it, this is a fraction form. It's almost difficult. Although there's a way I will solve it that it won't be an issue. Now, what you need to notice that they all have the same denominator. So if you understand math very well, that should actually even help you. But if you don't really understand what to do, what do? You take it as you would try and solve it. You try and collapse it so that it becomes on it stays on a straight line. Now, what do I mean by that? We have less than 9 minutes, so let's make it snappy. So let me take equation 1. This is x over 2 plus y over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. You can say everything has the same denominator. But let's just go ahead, don't worry. So this is going to be 2. So this will become x plus y over 2. If I cross multiply, ideally what I should just do is I'll just say 2 will cross out 2 here. But you may be taught to cross multiply. Even if you cross multiply and do everything, you still get what? X, you may get 2x plus 2y is equals to 14, and then you need to divide everything out. So at the end of the day, you're still going to get x plus y is equals to 7. The reason I'm cutting it off is because both of them had the same denominator. Or what you can do, please, is you say that x plus y over 2 is equals to 7 over 2. Abi, we cross multiply. So that will be 2 open brackets, x plus y is equals to 2 times 7. So this will be 14, and this will be 2x plus 2y. Either way, you are still on the same track. So 2 open up x plus y, 14, a bit. 2 year 1, 2 years what? 7. So that's why I say if you know what you are doing, you are still going to get this. Do you understand? So if you know what you are doing, just cross these two out. So I'll call this equation 3. I'll call that equation 3. Now I'll come to this other place too. The same thing. I'll take, so this is from equation 2. From equation 1 rather. So from equation 2, the same thing. X over 4 plus y over 4 is equals to what? 15 over 4. Obviously, I don't need to tell you what the answer will be. By now, if you solve it, you should know that that will become what? 4x plus y is equals to 15 over 4. By the time you cross multiply, do all your this thing, you are still going to get what? X plus y over what is equals to what? 15. So this will be our equation 4. So you can see, even if you are given a fraction, you should learn to what? To convert it. You should learn to convert it to a what? To a straight or to a horizontal form. Don't try to solve it as a fraction. Because it will be hard, it will be difficult for you to say you want to eliminate. So this will be equation 3, and this will be x plus y is equals to what? 15, and this will be equation 4, and then you solve. Are you getting me? So I'm sure we can solve from here. So let's just well, there's nothing to solve here because you may not actually get an answer. You may not get an answer here. You may not get an answer. I only gave you this as an illustration. I only gave it to you as an illustration. So that when you encounter questions like this, you would know what to do. So from there, you're able to solve. So your assignment should be sent to your Google Drive. Those of you that have not registered on your Google Drive, on your Google Classroom, do that. Because we cannot be marking assignments one by one. Do that, join the Google Classroom. The assignment will be what? Will be given to you, it will be shared there. Are you getting me? The assignment can be given to you in the form of multiple choice. Are you getting me? The assignment can be given to you in the form of written form, and then you are asked to solve and snap and submit. So either way, get connected to your Google Classroom. That is the only way we accept assignments. Because if we say we should put the assignment on the WhatsApp group, you end up missing a lot of things. So please your Google Drive, and please ensure you turn in your assignment before your scheduled or due dates. Are you getting me? Do you have questions? Questions? So in the next class, we'll move on to substitution method. Do have a nice day. Thank you. So watch out for your assignments.